Welcome to today's lesson. For today's lesson, we are talking about confirming material deliveries. Let's first have a look at some key vocab for today's lesson. Delivery. Quantity. Quality. Specifications. Packing list. Purchase order. Supplier. Carton. Lot number. Expiration date. Damaged. Photo. Non-conformance report. Shipment. Factory. Production. Machine failure. Product defects. Customer complaints. Reject. Replacement. This is a summary table of all the key vocab before we move on to the listening part. Now let's listen to the dialogue about confirming material status.
Hey, why do we need to check every delivery? It takes too much time.
Because we must confirm the quantity, quality, and specifications. If something is wrong, production will be delayed.
Alright. So, what should I check first?
First, compare the packing list with the purchase order. Does the supplier's name match?
Yes, it does. The supplier is ABC Electronics.
Good. Now, count the cartons. How many are there?
Let me see. 1, 2, 10 cartons in total.
Okay, check if the lot number and expiration date are correct.
The lot number is 23A45 and the expiration date is March 2026. Is that okay?
Let me check. Yes, it's correct. Now, open one carton and inspect the materials.
The parts look fine. But, wait, this one is damaged.
Oh no, we must report this immediately. Take a photo and fill out a non-conformance report.
I thought this would be easy. Alright, let me do it.
See, checking deliveries is important. Now, let's move on to the next shipment.
Wait. Let me check if I got it right. First, I compare the packing list with the purchase order. Then, I count the cartons and check the lot number and expiration date.
Correct. And what do you do next?
Open the carton and check if the parts are okay. If they're damaged, I report it by taking a photo and filling out a non-conformance report.
Exactly. But there's more. Do you know what we do if the quantity doesn't match?
Do we just accept it and hope for the best?
No. If the quantity is wrong, we have to contact the supplier immediately and inform the purchasing department.
Got it. But what if the quality is bad, even if the parts aren't damaged?
Good question. If the quality is not up to standard, we have to reject the shipment or ask for a replacement.
So, basically, we have to check everything carefully, right?
Exactly. If we skip these steps, the factory could face serious problems.
Like what? What's the worst that could happen?
Imagine using defective parts in production. It could cause machine failure, product defects, or even customer complaints.
Whoa. That sounds serious. I didn't think checking deliveries was so important.
Now you know. Let's go through one more shipment together.
Alright, but this time, I'll do everything myself, and you correct me if I'm wrong.
Deal. Let's begin.
Okay, have you got all the main ideas and details of the dialogue?
Hey,
Okay, now let's have a look at this table. On the three left columns, you can see the key vocabulary of today's lesson, its meaning in Vietnamese and its meaning in English. And on the right column, you can see the speaking practice sentences with question and answer. Now, let's start with the first one. Let's give it a try. Why do we need to check every delivery? Because we must confirm the quantity, quality, and specifications. What do we compare first? First, compare the packing list with the purchase order. Who provides the shipments? The supplier provides the shipment. How many cartons should we check? We must count the cartons. What should we check on the carton? We must check the lot number and expiration date. What do we do if we find damaged parts? We must take a photo and fill out a non-conformance report. What should we do if the quantity in the delivery is incorrect? We must contact the supplier and inform the purchasing department. What happens if the quality of the parts is not up to standard? We must reject the shipment or ask for a replacement. Why is checking deliveries so important? If we skip these steps, the factory could face serious problems. What can happen if defective parts are used in production? It could cause machine failure, products defects, or even customer complaints. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and see you soon.